After 3 months of distance learning, some families were excited to get their kids back into activities or summer camps. For those in charge of these activities, the state has a lot of requirements. We talked with one summer day camp provider about the journey just to be able to open. Danica Peterson has the story.
Tiffany Cavane opened the Kids Cooking School in 2017. The location has moved a few times, but she was excited to find a place that she could call a long-term home. In February, she found that place in Circle Pines.
I signed a lease before we really knew what was happening, and then sports started shutting down, the schools started shutting down, and we just didn't know.
Didn't know if she would be able to open this year at all. After a few months passed, talk of reopening began.
That's when it got really scary, because it really delved into what it was going to take in order to keep the children safe.
Since then, she's been working to get ready, keeping up with the requirements for schools and for summer camps, making sure she knew what she needed to do.
But then as the weeks went by, there were more and more documents that came out for guidelines. I probably have 170 pages worth of documents between the CDC, the American Camp Association, that we've been using to make sure that we keep everything clean and follow the right protocols.
The school opened for its first summer camp this week. Between the reduced capacity of students and the extra cleaning protocols, income is down and expenses are up.
Not only in the supplies, which are a lot more expensive than your regular glass cleaner, but also they're very hard to come by and they're in high demand, and then it's extra hours for our staff, and it's a lot of worry just to make sure that we got it all.
The school has cleaning protocols in place before the students arrive. The students stay at their cooking station and don't share any materials. The room is cleaned throughout the day and at the end of the day as well.
And then each week in between different groups of students, we have another weekly set of protocols.
So far, there haven't been any state or federal grants to help the school get by. It is a nonprofit school, and most of the relief programs in place only apply to for-profit businesses, leaving Cavane to wait and hope.
I do believe that something will happen. Something will come through. We will be open, and we're going to make it through.
The Kids Cooking School has week-long day camps most weeks this summer and still have some openings there. If the school survives the summer and more restrictions are lifted, Cavane hopes to offer single day camps on days when there's no school, and also hopes to have opportunities for adults as well.